Hello, my name is Daniel Bradshaw, and on behalf of the entire founding team at Airspace Link, I want to say, well, hello! We've recently launched Airspace Link, providing state and local government commercial drone airspace management solutions. Our president and CEO, Michael Healander, not only looks great in a well-pressed suit, he's also been thinking about ways not to fly drones since 2015. Combined, Michael and I have 40 years of building and engineering geospatial solutions and businesses, picking a few of these up along the way. But we can see who's really leading the way here. Our final co-founder, Anna Healander, guides our customer success. She is well-rounded in direct and inside sales and has 13 years as a co-owner and manager of a successful franchise. Together, we've already built solutions from the benign to the life-saving. Together so long, in fact, our hair has migrated from here down to here. We're excited to bring UAV solutions to the market.